This is a quick update on the GM trade that we all collectively got together in my coaching group back in April and May of 2020, and this was a trade verifying and confirming the phases of consolidation. You hear me talk about this quite a bit. Having the ability to analyze the phases of consolidation will tell you when it's likely to be a good time to get into the trade, so you're going to find better trade selection. And then from the time that you get into the trade, very often what you'll find, if you do it correctly, your timing's correctly, is correct, you're going to be trading alongside with what I refer to as the smart money. I'll get into greater detail as to what exactly the smart money is if you're new to this concept or if you've heard it but you don't understand it. So before I go any further, though, please understand this is not a buy or sell. This is not a trade recommendation. This is just my analysis and my update and my confirmation of the trade that we discussed back in April and May and June of last year, 2020, when we got into the trade. This is a monthly time frame of GM. Everything's working out as we expected. Remember, back when this started in the summertime and we were in this trade, I mentioned over and over again as we were following along with these updates each month, I was confirming the fact that you have to be prepared mentally and psychologically. You just have to be prepared for the fact that it's going to take some time. It's exciting to see all of this sort of unfold on the charts, but you have to realize that this is a monthly time frame on each one of these bars, so it could take some time to actually achieve some of these profit targets. So it's already hit the first target that we had generated with the point and figure. I'm not going to show the point and figure in this video. I'm going to show the point and figure in the next video on this trade where we pinpoint the entry. But the same thing is available here for you to see as far as analyzing the phases of consolidation and then finding a better trade location. So what we have here is this spring type of activity and then this testing. So the testing, sometimes it'll be a little bit deeper, sometimes it won't. It's okay. You have to be able to find these intermediate ranges of support and resistance that end up helping you confirm a trade. So you can see right here the way these bars are closing. What we're doing is they're analyzing the spread, the ranges. Some people refer to it as a spread, but the range of the bars, the volume, the reversals, the divergence that we see between support and resistance and volume to find these turning points. As we see it testing the support low here, you see that none of the candles or none of the bars are closing below that support. That was also occurring during this testing phase, this backing up testing phase after the spring. And then we get an entry opportunity right here at the close of that candle if we're trading relative to this time frame. Remember, relative to this time frame. So the entry was at 31.20. And you can see price today is currently sitting here at 55.85. It's gone a little bit higher, obviously, in the last couple of months, but we're still holding on to this position. And this is perfect for investors. This is exactly how you can use my trading system to invest in certain stocks or invest in other areas of the markets like commodities or Forex when you see a prime choice opportunity just like this. But the entry and the ability to count the target, where price is going to go, all of that comes from the point and figure charts.